The website I'm about to show you in this video might actually replace Tradingview. Hello and welcome to another video. If you're new here, I'm Joshua, and in today's video I want to introduce you to a chart website that looks just like Tradingview, but this website is almost completely free. When compared side by side, Tradingview seems to be overpriced, but Tradingview has a sleek design and some pretty interesting features. I want to keep this video short, so I will only emphasize on the multi-chart and the replay features that is absolutely free in this chart website. Having a replay and a multi-chart feature will increase your chances of becoming profitable as a trader, and most importantly for beginner traders. The replay feature helps you backtest strategy and in terms help you identify a good or a bad strategy in a very short time, while the multi-chart feature helps you increase your chances of cashing the moves earlier for multiple pairs. As for Tradingview, in order for you to get the replay and the multi-chart feature, then you must pick and pay for a plan. The name of this game-changing chart website is called Gocharting, and the website also have mobile application, but I prefer the web version. I will leave a link in the description of this video to the Gocharting website, but before you leave or click on the link, watch the video till the end. We are emphasizing about replays. Once you open the website, you will be asked to sign in, and if you don't have a Gocharting account, you can click on create one now. All you have to do is input your email and password and then click sign me up. After that, you will be asked to input the code sent to your email. Get the code, input it, and then you have successfully created a Gocharting account. In order for you to backtest strategies, all you have to do is click on the replay and then cut out the portion of the chart that you will like to learn from. As easy as that. And for the multi-chart feature, we have that line at the bottom of the website. You can make the chart become 2 different pairs, or better still 4 different pairs of interest, just like this. I am not saying you should completely switch to Gocharting, but I think the website's free features can be of help to both beginners and old-time traders. But most importantly, the replay feature can help you backtest and perfect your strategy, and in turn make you a profitable trader sooner than you know. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please drop a like and also subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.